So up at the top here, we got ODI Longneck grips. Cut the flanges off. Animal metal barons. These are Subrosa Pandora V3 bars, the limited edition ones with the blood splatter. They're 8.25 rise. I don't really know the width. Then moving down, stock Subrosa stem. Mechanik STI headset. Moving down, Sect V2 forks. And then for the wheel, it's Shadow Orbis. I'll move it for you. Laced to a Primo N4 hub with Sapim 14 gauge spokes. No big deal. And then down here, Kink Lyra tire, 20 by 2.30. Then for the frame, it's Fit Wi-Fi, 20.5 inch top tube. It's raw, I like it. And then for the seat, it's a Macneil pivotal, but my friend Kelsey covered it and cheated it for me. So shout out to her. I don't know where she went. With a stock Verde post I got from my friend. Don't really care about that stuff. And then for the pedals, stolen Thermalite PC pedals. Had these for like a year. I love them. Stock Subrosa cranks off my stock bike. And 28 tooth Colt member sprocket with a united bottom bracket. It doesn't really matter though. It's all good. And then it's a KMC Cool Z chain or something like that. I don't know. I just found it in my house. You know, I put it on there. It's whatever. Then moving back, Shadow Raptor hub. I think it's the version 2. It's got different graphics than the first one. 9-tooth driver laced with Sapim 14 gauge spokes again to a, I think it's right at the bottom there. Yeah, Cinema 777 room. So that's cool. Wrapped up with a 20 by 2.25 Colt Dehart tire. And then for the pegs, the front one is like stock off some Haro. I don't know. Stole it from Brock. And the back one is a Poverty curb feeler. That stuff doesn't really matter either. Pegs are pigs. And I think that just about wraps it up.